Listen, if you think sandwiches can't be dramatic, pull up a chair, because this cheesy spinach artichoke pull-apart sandwich is about to give you a cheese pull so epic it could get its own Instagram account. Watch closely. In a bowl, add 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup artichokes, 3 tablespoons cream cheese, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup mozzarella, 1/2 cup cheddar, salt, and pepper. Mix it. You'll know it's ready when it looks like a dip you'd literally hide from your roommates. Take 2 thick slices of bread. Spread that cheesy, gooey spinach artichoke mixture generously. If your bread isn't struggling under the weight, are you even trying? This filling is so good, you'll be tempted to eat it with a spoon. And I won't stop you. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Close the sandwich, then butter the outside with 1 tablespoon butter. Place it on a hot pan. Let it grill until the bread is golden and your cheese starts plotting its great escape. Flip carefully. Grill the other side. The moment you cut into it, the cheese pool should be long enough to make your audience question their life choices. Seriously, if it stretches like you're trying to send a love letter across the room, perfection. Take a bite. It's creamy. It's garlicky. It's cheesy. It's warm. Comforting chaos in bread form. The type of sandwich that makes you think, why did I ever eat boring sandwiches before? Serve it hot. Pull it apart dramatically. If your life just got 200% cheesier and you want more recipes that might ruin your diet but not your happiness, hit subscribe. I promise your future self will thank you.